This is day 1. They're taking off half of the roof. I'll go to the back and show you in a minute. So this is the next door neighbour's one. It's essentially going to look like this. So they've taken off half the roof.
I don't know if the feel of this compared to the feel of that other one was.
Other options.
Look at those ones over there. This it's a bit dark. Oh no, this is like, wow. It's like so slippery. I was saying for the
Hold on.
you're thinking like this, and it feels like real wood.
For what? The whole house?
Yeah.
Why? Which one's wrong?
It's all right.
Marble tiles, maybe. You're even supposed to go this way.
Listen to this.
I tried to not listen to it in Asda, and then the colleague was like, stop! No, they told me stop. It's too dark.
Teni doesn't like that.
I don't want dark kitchen floor. It's not that everything's going to be white, it's just that if you're going to have dark, you're going to have grey cabinets, the floor should be lighter. Yeah, I think this is nice.
No, this one's expensive.
Is it?
Yeah. I say it's expensive, but
even your kitchen isn't grey.
It's grey, it's light grey floor.
No, it's like your kitchen has browns.
Oh, on the counter. I didn't pick the kitchen.
Yeah, but you like it, don't you?
yeah.
Seamless if you do big ones.
Yeah.
So I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Apparently the
I
bathroom
didn't know
has
it was
this.
that cheap.
Is this cheap? Is this £2 a square? Or what is
No,
this?
this one is £2 a square. I don't know how much this one is. They haven't even got a box of it.
It is here. It's £25, £26.50. Yeah. Oh. It is £26.
My bathroom.
This is nice. Is it £3 or is it the one? Probably this one. £14. £14, 4 pence.
The size of it. But I just feel like it's too slippery. It's too dangerous.
That is true. It's not practical for mum because she's getting older.
Obviously not this colour, but I mean
The
this
finish.
feel, yeah.
Also, the glossy one is probably going to feel colder on your feet. Like when
Yeah.
you're massive. So this is actually the layout of the kitchen that we're going to have, with the islands, with the hob on top, and then double oven. This one is actually a microwave, but we might get 2 ovens, and then the tap at the side. We'll probably have some shelves here too. Oh yeah, this is basically the layout. Because you can't do it. So these are the worktop options. The one in the kitchen that we like is this one. I don't like the worktop, but my sisters think it's nice. And obviously they reminded me it's not my house, so we might go with this one. Or this one. I prefer this one, to be honest with you. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's nice. My sister says that there's some on the other side, so let's go and look. Oh, there's no. So prices on these ones. Cool. They took down the banner stuff in here. And they've covered the roof now. So the way that it's going to go is the cabinets are going to start from this way and then come along here, but it's going to come out all the way to level up with the neighbours, so the extension will be this big. Quite big.
Where's the wall has to be cut in this straight.
So
You know,
there's going to be a
there's
wall
gonna be-
here when you come up.
So
the
it's gonna
stairs.
be what's gonna be your post is gonna be here for a moment. When it's finished,
Yeah.
the post hand.
So this is the Thames water piping that they have to be careful of.
When people don't understand what he's doing, if someone talking, he's gonna make mistake. Because you have to be confident for yourself what you're doing.
Yeah, exactly. And you're confident, right? So it's fine.
Yeah. If you are confident, you can drive. No confident, no driving.
this is going to be the window in front of the sink. This is going to be the door out to the garden. They've had to remove the drainage from here. And it's obviously going to be on the outside of the house. And we've decided that it's going to have a flat roof, we think. Yeah, that is the update. Okay, so this is what the house looks like from the back. There's going to be French doors there, a window, that's the bathroom window. Yeah. So this is the house from the back. There's going to be a balcony there, and that's the bathroom. So the balcony is going to be there. It's a Juliet balcony, and that's the bathroom, the ensuite. Look at the details of the banister. Okay, so this is what the dormer's looking at like now. This is going to be the ensuite. They broke the chimney there, so there's going to be a bathtub here and a toilet and wash basin. We're not quite sure we're going to position the bed yet, but this is the eave storage. And these are the French doors that will have a Juliet balcony, so it's not like one that you'll proper step out onto. So this is it with the doors closed, guys. You can see the bathroom, like I said, and there will be another update where you see the balcony go on, but the balcony will be put on last. I am super excited for the before and after pictures or videos of this space for you guys, because the kitchen has been ordered. It's from Wix and you won't believe the before and after. So there's going to be an L shape here going along here. The sink will be here, cupboards, built-in microwave and oven, or just double oven. We're not quite sure which one we're going to do yet, probably just double ovens. And then the American fridge freezer will be here in between this space. This is going to be a utility room, which was previously the kitchen, but yeah, it won't be the kitchen anymore. And then there'll be an island here, and then this part will be the dining area. So it doesn't look like much now, but the before and after, you will be shocked. And I'm excited!